Today is Friday, April 25th, and I'm going to film a quick one today, but today I learned that if, for some reason, I always feel weird when I receive compliments or like praise for something, right? But I was talking to my sister about it, and really I think the biggest reason why I feel weird about it is because a lot of times I feel like imposter syndrome, right? And I feel like I need to earn that praise because I feel good when I am like praised for something that I've worked hard for, but not necessarily just like natural things. I don't know. So today I learned that like you don't need to earn your praise and you don't need to earn good things all the time, right? Sometimes they just happen, and you can be grateful for that. Like it feels like I do need to earn good things, and it feels like anything that I am, like, it feels like it's not mine when I'm praised for something that's like something I didn't necessarily earn, right? It feels like it's not mine. I don't own it. It's not a part of me. Like, it feels like wrong, like a misplaced compliment kind of thing. But like, not even within like a situation of a compliment, but just like things that happen to you. Like, you don't always need to earn good things. Sometimes they just happen to you and you can't really do anything about it, right? And all you can really do is just be grateful. And sometimes being grateful produces like something to do. So like if you received a gift, sometimes being grateful for that produces the urge or like the action to like give them something back, right? Something like that. But just know that like you don't need to earn good things, and like if there's a natural part about you that you get like praised for or something like that, like don't feel like you need to earn it, but also like don't get a big head about it, obviously. But just because a good thing happened to you or there's a good attribute about you that isn't necessarily under your control doesn't mean that doesn't mean it's not yours, because that's what it feels like, right? That's what it feels like to me. It feels like I need to earn all of these good things rather than just letting them happen to me. And a lot of times, like, a lot of good things won't just happen to you. A lot of times you have to take an action to like receive a good thing kind of thing, right? But when that doesn't happen, you need to just be grateful and don't like feel that imposter syndrome, especially if it's something super like superficial and like not that important, right? You don't need to stress about that. So that's what I learned today, just a quick one, but hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, then I would love a like or comment. This is a video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner. If you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video.